Pataka, which means a flag. Pataka is done with all fingers held straight like the stop sign. There should be no gap between the fingers. Tripataka, which means three parts of a flag. In this mudra, all the fingers are held straight and close together like the stop sign except for the ring finger which is bent. Ardhapataka, which means two parts of a flag. It is done by bending the little finger after doing the Tripataka. Kartari Mukha, which means scissors. Mudra is done when the little finger and the ring finger is bent and pressed against the thumb, while the index finger and the middle finger is stretched to show a scissor. Mayura, which means peacock. The ring finger and the tip of the thumb touch each other while the other fingers are held straight without any gap. Ardhachandra, which means half moon. All the fingers are held straight and together except the thumb finger which is held apart. It is just like the Pataka gesture, but the thumb finger is held straight and not bent like in Pataka. Arala, which means petal. It is done when the index finger is bent while doing the Pataka mudra. Here the index finger is bent along with the thumb while the other fingers are held straight. Mushti, which means fist. When the four fingers are pressed closely against the palm while the thumb is held tightly between the palm and the other four fingers, then the mudra is called Mushti. Shikhara, which means pinnacle. Here all the fingers are bent and pressed against the palm except the thumb. The thumb is raised and held erect like just the thumbs up. Kapit, which means wood apple. While doing Shikhar Mudra, bending the pointer finger and pressing it over the thumb, it is called Kapit Mudra. Katka Mukha. There are three different varieties of Katka Mukha having different meanings. So the first one, that means a bird. In this variety of Katka Mukha, the middle and the index finger are curved and rest on the thumb. This variety of Katka Mukha denotes a girl. The thumb and the index finger need to be held together with middle finger looking down and the rest of the fingers extended. And the last one, which denotes a bracelet. It is done by bringing together the index finger, middle finger and thumb. The ring finger and the little finger are raised at angles as shown. Suchi, which means a needle. The middle finger, ring finger and little finger is pressed against the thumb while the forefinger is held straight. Chandrakala means full moon. Release the thumb in Suchi Mudra and hold it straight. The mudra is known as Chandrakala. Chandrakala means digit of the moon. Ala Padma, which means fully bloomed lotus. Here the fingers are held in such a manner as if to ask why. The little finger points up and thereafter the other fingers follow. The next mudra is called Hamsasya, means swan's bill. The thumb and the index finger touch each other at the tips while the other fingers are straight, separated and stretched. Trishula, which means trident. When the thumb and the little finger are bent or met each other while the index, middle and the ring finger are held straight, the gesture is called Trishula. Simha Mukha means lion's face. When the middle finger and the ring press against the thumb while the other fingers are held straight, we get the Simha Mukha Hasta. And the last one, Bhramara, which means bee. When the index finger in the Katka Mukha Mudra is curled and placed in between the middle finger and the thumb, we get the Bhramara Mudra. Now let's recall the mudras. Pataka, Tripataka, Ardhapataka, Kartari Mukha, Mayur, Mushti, Shikhara, Ardhachandra, Aral, Kapita, Katkamukha, 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 Chandrakala, Ala Padma, Hamsasya, Trishula, Simha Mukha and Bhramara.